Welcome to PcMac. In today's video, we are going to continue our free VPN videos series in which I'm going to show you the next website through which we can access the free VPN by using the OpenVPN software. So let's get started. So let's just go ahead and open the website that we are going to use for today's practical, and the website name is vpnbook.com. So the website is right here and you can see the news and the PPTP connection. You can either use the PPTP connection here or just go ahead and use the OpenVPN. So I have the OpenVPN client already in my machine. If you want, I'll leave the link of the video in which I have installed the OpenVPN on the Mac operating system. Let's just go ahead and open it, and the profiles are already connected here. So let's just drag it to the side and download one VPN file directly from here. So you can see it says PL226DE4 server and US, Canada, CA, Canada, France. Let's try the France one, and once we click on it and it asks us to download the file is almost downloaded. Let's just click here and then add the file. Move to file, browse, and under documents, let's today's date and VPN book, and you can see we have 3 files. So let's just try the first one and open. Now it will ask the username and the password. The username is VPN book and the password, so username is done and the password field is right here. W6X8E. So the password is saved here, and let's see whether it's connected or not. It's connected, and I'm getting the spikes as well for upload and download. Now let's just try our old method and check the location. Let's try. So as you know, my current location is in India, so let's just check this one, and you can see the location is in France and the IP address changed. Everything is here. Let's just try one more website to check whether it's working absolutely fine or not. Well, let's select this one. The file is downloaded. Let's go back, close this one and add one more. Move to file, browse, and then go to downloads and then the second folder. Let's try the first one. So again, the username is VPN book and the password is also same. So let's connect and check whether the location got changed or not. It started, and let's go back here and refresh the page. So it's like getting our last IP. So let's just go ahead and copy it and open a new private window to check. So the IP is correct and it's for France. Let's just try another one. So the US one, let's try this one. Turn off this and then add the new one. US servers are quite busy. In between, let's just try to download the second one as well. Might be the first one doesn't work, then we can always go for the second one. So it's connected, and let's just check. So you can see the country changed to United States and region Virginia, and the city is Alexandria. Now you can see that this VPN is also working absolutely fine. I have tried 3-4 locations and all the locations are working absolutely fine. So you can also try this website and share your feedback in the comment section in case of any issues. And I'll see you in the next video. So that's it for today. Please share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification for my latest videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.